Good day, everyone. We discuss Chapter 9 Operating System. Objectives Overview. Define an operating system. Describe the startup process and shutdown option on computers and mobile devices. Explain how an operating system provides a user interface, manages program, manages memory, coordinates tasks. Describe how an operating system enables users to configure devices, establish an internet connection, and monitor performance. Objective Overview. Identify the file management and other tools included with an operating system, along with ways to update operating system software. Explain how an operating system enables users to control a network or administer security. Summarize the feature of several desktop operating systems. Briefly describe various server operating systems. An operating system, or OS, is a set of programs containing instructions that work together to operate all the activities among computer and mobile device hardware. First, start and shut down a computer or mobile device. Second, provide a user interface, manage programs, manage memory, coordinate tasks, configure devices, establish an internet connection, monitor performance, provide file management and other device or media related tasks, updating operating system software, control a network, administer security. As you can see, how operating system function that operate other data or establish each. Next, operating system function. Starting computers and mobile devices. Sa computer or mobile device is off, you press a power button to turn it on. As you can see on the picture, the power off button in the phone must be found at the top of the phone, and the computer must be is inside or outside the computer, and the power button of this top must be found inside or in the middle. Operating system function. An operating system system includes various power options. Hibernate saves any open documents and running programs or apps to an internal hard drive before removing power from the computer or device. A user interface, or UI, controls how you enter data and instructions and how information is displayed on the screen. With a graphical user interface, GUI, you interact with menus and visual image. The user interface, example, is a remote control, a typically TV remote, as a numerical keypad, volume and channels, buttons, mute and power, buttons, an input selector, and other buttons that perform various functions, just like TV or other purposes. A command line interface, a user types of commands represented by short keyword or abbreviation, or precise special case on the keyboard to enter data instructions. We see a command prompt connecting from the other and command enter by user command prompt. How an operating system handles program directly affects your productivity. Single tasking and multitasking, foreground and background, single user and multi-user. We can see on the picture the operating system enables to display any icons, identify background and foreground apps running a computer. It is a foreground application shown in the picture. Memory management optimize the use of the computer or device's internal memory. Virtual memory is a portion of storage medium functioning and addition of RAM. For example, virtual memory is an imaginary or memory area supported by some operating system. Example, Windows but not DOS, with the purpose of virtual memory is to enlarge the address space and set of addresses a program can utilize. For example, virtual memory might contain twice as many addresses as main memory. As you can see on the picture, there are a cycle to how to transfer the files or data from the other storage. The operating system determines the order in which tasks are processed. For example, the Microsoft Windows operating system has automatic updates to help keep Windows updated with the latest bugs, fixes, features, updates, and other modification. Automatically internet browsers features automatic updates includes Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. A driver is a small program that tells the operating system how to communicate with a specific device. Plug and Play automatically configures new devices as you install them. Operating system typically provide a means to establish internet connection. The Microsoft Windows operating system has automatically search or automatically internet browser features. Automatic updates includes Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. A performance monitor programs that assess the reports and information about various computers, resources, and devices. Operating system often provide user with a variety of tools related to managing computer, its devices, or its program, like file manager, search, image viewer, uninstall, disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, screen saver, file compression, PC maintenance, backup and restore. Automatically provides a new picture correction to program. For example, the Microsoft Windows operating system has automatic updates to help keep Windows update with the latest bugs, fixes, features updates, and other modifications. Automatically internet browsers features automatic updates include Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Some operating systems are designed to work with a server on a network. This multi-user operating system allows multiple users to share a printer, internet access, file and programs. A network administrator uses the server operating system to add or remove user computers and other devices, configure the network, install software, and administer network security. A user account enables to use to sign in to access the source, a network, or computer. A username or user ID identifies a specific user. A password is a private combination of characters associated with the username. To 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 secure all the data, you must put a password or username to private documents that you intact in the computer. Examples of operating system by category. Name: Windows, OS X, Unix, Linux, Chrome OS, Windows Server, Mac OS, X Server, Unix, Linux, Google Android, Apple iOS, Windows Phone. Those are examples of operating system by category. A desktop operating system is a complete operating system that works on desktop, laptops, and some tablets like Windows, Mac OS, Unix, Linux, Chrome OS. Types of operating system. The three most common operating systems for personal computers are Microsoft, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Windows 8 offers their pictures start screen interface with tiles, including the desktop interface, support for input via touch, mouse and keyboard, email app, calendar app, and browser included. Photos, files, and settings you can sync with SkyDrive. Enhanced security through an antivirus program, firewall, and automatic updates. Windows Store offers additional application for purchase. This picture shown the computer. The computer shown a display of data when you on the button of your computer. We see the start screen show tiles you can tap or click to run apps. Each user accounts as username and may have a password and icon. App bar includes button that enables you to display all your apps and to manipulate tiles. Tiles are shortcuts to apps for other content. Next. The Macintosh operating system has earned a reputation for its ease of use. Latest version is OX. Next. Unix is a multitasking operating system developed in early 1970s. Example of Unix: listing files or IS, listing hidden files, creating and viewing tiles, deleting files. The Linux is a popular multitasking Unix-based operating system. The Linux has a command with examples: Debian, Fedora, Mandriva Linux, OpenSUSE, Arch Linux, Gentoo, Slackwave, and Ubuntu. Those are the examples of command with examples of Linux. Chrome OS, a Linux-based operating system designed to work primarily with web apps. Chrome OS, example, is a Gentoo Linux-based operating system designed by Google. It is derived from the free software Chromeline OS and uses the Google Chrome web browser as its principal user interface. You can easily to search whatever you want or other purposes for data that you gather. Next. Windows Server, Unix, OS X Server, Linux. The operating system on mobile devices and many consumers electronics is called a mobile operating system and resides on firmware like Android, iOS, Windows Phone. The mobile operating system is the most well-known mobile OSSR and Android, iOS, Windows Phone OS, and Symbian. The market versions of those OSs are Android phone. There's some others mobile OSs that are less used, BlackBerry, Samsung, and etc. Next, Android is an open source Linux-based mobile operating system designed by Google for smartphones and tablets. Android is an open source Linux-based mobile operating system designed by Google for smartphones and tablets. The Android for phone or is a mobile operating based on the modified version. OS, developed by Apple, is a proprietary mobile operating system specifically made for Apple's mobile devices. The OS learns how to update the software on your Mac and how to allow important background updates the latest version. These OS can update other date other apps or other documents. Next, Windows Phone. Windows Phone, developed by Microsoft, is a proprietary mobile operating system that runs on some smartphones, like multitasking of third-party apps, Twitter, in a integration for the People Hub, and Windows Live SkyDrive access. That's all. Thank you.